We're going to do a brief video on AMD Stock Analysis. We've got a daily chart up here for you for advanced micro devices. We've got three moving averages on here. We have a green 5-day, a red 20-day, and a blue 200-day moving average. Let's take a look at this stock real quick. It looks like back in November of 2021, it hit a high of 164. Promptly sold all the way off and tested the 200-day moving average, bounced up pretty good to about 133. Tried it a couple more times and finally got through the 200-day moving average around March of 2022 and started its bear market. That's where it is right now. This stock's in a bear market. It's below the 200-day moving average, but interestingly enough, there's not a whole lot of conviction to it. It's put in a low down here first week in July of about 71 bucks, so that's a significant 50% or more sell-off for the stock. But the bear market obviously was a good bear market, but the official bear market under the 200-day moving average has kind of been indecisive. If you look at it all the way back from April 2022, it's been kind of oscillating right around through here around the $91 level, and that's what it's essentially continuing to do. The moving average has just been going back and forth, following the price along. It's been respecting it very well. It's been respecting the 5-day. If you look at it carefully, it's been respecting a 5-day pretty good. So this is a trader's market, just coming along here back and forth around the 91 level, oscillating above and below it, and trying to decide whether or not the stock's done in terms of the bear market. You can see that we rolled over. It never really got flat. We just rolled over a little bit of flat period here in May, but now we've rolled down on this 200-day moving average. So what that essentially means is we're probably coming up for a test on this 200-day moving average, probably right around this level here, probably around the $100 level in October, the second week of October. We could reasonably see a test of $100 in the stock, maybe a hair lower at 98, right around in there. And that'd be my best guess for this stock right now. This is for entertainment purposes only and for my opinion only, but that's probably a near-term target in the next, let's call it month, is $100. I'd expect to see that in October, not really that much closer than October, probably around the October 10th level. We could obviously break down and go lower. I don't see that on this chart right this second. It could happen, but if we'd have to get a close below this low here of 71.60, and we'd probably have to get that in the next at most 2 weeks for that to be something that I would say is technically feasible. If we got to break through that support back from July 5th, then you could definitely put in some lower prices here, probably down to the 65-ish level, roughly right around in there. I don't see that on this chart right now, but you never can tell. This stock's in a bear market. It's been trading sideways. All stocks are traded sideways. Eventually, almost all stocks break out. So we're either going to have some type of test of the 200-day, which is my best guess for this stock, around the 10th of October, right at around 100, or we'll make new lows on it. I would say that the probabilities of a test to 100 are about 65%, and a breakdown would probably be about 35%. And I would suspect if you're going to get that breakdown, you're going to get it here in the next week to 10 days. If you're going to get a rally, you're probably going to see 100 by the middle of October, as I said. That's my best guess for this stock right now. Keep in mind, it's all entertainment purposes only, and it's all my opinion. Let's take a look and see what RBAM Research says. We cover advanced micro devices, AMD, and let's take a look and see. Today, you're seeing almost zeros across the board on RBAM Research algorithmic trading systems. That means they don't recommend a buy today. Now keep in mind, all these are for entertainment purposes only. You have to use your own analysis, but their algorithm's coming up with no buys today for this stock. Let's go up and take a look and see. You can see that this came out today on the 8th. They come out every morning before 7 a.m. Monday through Friday. They have 1, 5, and 20-day holding periods. They're buys only. And the way this works is if you buy today, you close out the end of trading tomorrow. These are trading day periods, not calendar days. So buy today, close out the end of trading 1, 5, or 20-day holding periods, depending on the column you use. And these would be closing out at a loss. If you bought any of these columns, assuming your own advice, your own analysis that it was a good idea, you take your profits as soon as you get them under this trading system. Again, all for entertainment purposes only. You can get them all, 190 plus stocks every morning before 7 a.m. at rbamresearch.com. There's a link in the description below. In addition to the stocks, we cover the major forex pairs. We cover BTC crypto, and we cover the most liquid futures. Everything but the stocks are longs or shorts, and the stocks right now are currently longs only. Absolutely free, no credit card required. And again, you can get them by 7 a.m. Monday through Friday. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to see more of these videos, please subscribe. If you have a great comment on how to make these videos better, we'd love to hear it in the comment section below. And keep in mind, everything you've seen or heard on here, including our analysis and our entry prices, are for entertainment purposes only. It's all our own opinion. You have to do your own analysis and can't rely on our information for anything other than entertainment. And you definitely trade at your own risk.